2 days ago, I make a video about this platform that you can use this platform to generate videos for free. And a lot of people came to my DM that they tried the platform and it did not work for them, that I was just hyping the platform. You cannot use the platform to generate videos for free. So right now, I want to recreate another video about this platform, how you can use this platform for free to generate video for yourself. So if you are coming across this platform for the first time, or you are coming across this channel and you have not seen this video about this platform, this is the platform. This is the name of the platform. So to get access to this platform, you can go to your browser, your Google Chrome, or any of your browser. If you are using your phone, you can just go to your Google Chrome. If you are using your laptop, just go to your Google Chrome and you search for the name of the AI tool. This is the name of the AI tool up here, and we search for the name of the AI tool is going to open. And immediately you register, they are going to give you 40 credits on this platform, but you don't need this credit to generate video. You'll be generating videos for free. So all you just need to do just to register on the platform, and immediately you register on the platform, it will take you to the interface like this where you can start generating videos. So it will bring you something like this. You click on back and you click on back here again. And the next here, you're going to see side here. You click on this 3 dot here. And when you click on this 3 dot, this is where you're going to see everything about the platform. As you can see, studio, you click on studio. Now, when you click on studio, it will bring you to an interface like this, as you can see. Now, when you bring it to an interface like this, right now it's on video generation. You can bring it to image generation if you want to use image generation. Now, you come down. So when you come down, you are going to see VO3, Grok AI, all this AI model, even Clicks AI. So where a lot of people are trying it and it is not working for them, let me show you why some of people are trying it and it's not working for them. Now, you don't just come to a platform and start putting all you want and thinking you are generating video. It will not work sometimes because it is a free platform. So sometimes people are much on the platform. So all you need to do, you have to be patient. If you try it, it will not work for you. You have to retry it and it will work for you. For example, I want to use Grok right now. This is Grok. Now, all you need to do, I want to do image. If you want to do image to video, you can select your image here. As you can see, image up here, reference image. You can put your image here, or you can do text to video. So if you want to do text to video, you just put your prompt here where it says prompt. And after you put your prompt, this is my prompt, you set your video resolution. As you can see, this resolution, I want to use landscape, and my resolution, this is, so as you can see, my aspect ratio, I'll leave it in landscape. Then my resolution, you can bring it to 720p or you can leave it in standard. So I'm leaving it in 720p. Then my video duration should be 6 seconds. Or you can put it in 10 seconds. And after you put it in 10 seconds, so when you come here, you can see this generation will cost you 0 credit. So you don't need credit to generate video here. That is what it's telling you. This generation will cost you 0 credit. So the next thing, you just click on generate. Now, when you click on generate, sometimes it will bring you, as you can see, and say, I understand that automatic using prompt that is violated. So just click on, so maybe this prompt is, they are not okay with this prompt I want to use. So you can just click on got it. And when you click on got it, you click on generate again. Maybe it's from my prompt. So they don't want to use this my prompt. So the next thing I'm going to do is to change the prompt. So let me go back and change this prompt I want to use. Okay. This prompt I want to use is not okay by them. So I'll just remove this prompt here like this. They say this prompt has some issue. So they dictate something on this prompt. So I need another prompt. So let me go back to my ChatGPT and copy a new prompt, which I'm going to use and test and show you guys. So I have a lot of prompts here. So for example, let me come down to this video and test one prompt here. I don't want to use a random prompt. So let me come down here. So this is the prompt I want to use. Image to video. So I'll just copy this prompt like this. Copy this prompt. So this is the prompt I want to use. Copy, and I'll go back to the AI tool and I'll paste the prompt here. And after pasting the prompt, I've already set everything before. So I'll just click on generate again. So it's still giving me the same issue. I understand that this automated using prompt violation. So maybe the AI is not well set to right now. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to change the AI model. So maybe it's not working. So I'll just click on I understand here. Okay, I understand here. Maybe I did not click it the other time. Then let me click on generate again. So now, as you can see, it say Grok video temporarily unavailable for free users. So if you try Grok and it says it's not available for free users, let me show you what you need to do. Don't panic. Just go up here. Just go up. Go up. And when you come up here, just put it in VO3. So let's put it in VO3 and try VO3. Maybe VO3 is going to work for us. So I don't want to use this prompt. I want to use the first prompt before. The first prompt we want to use before. So let me come down here. Come and copy that first prompt I wanted to use before, because I want to create 3D cartoon character. So this is the prompt here. Let me copy it and I'll go back to the AI tool again. So now we are using VO3. So if you have start frame and end frame image, you can put it here. So let me remove this prompt here. I'll remove all these prompts. After removing, I'll paste our next new prompt here. And after pasting our new prompt, the next thing I'm going to do, all this thing is set. All this is set. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on generate. This one is generating for 6 seconds. So as you can see, say this generation will cost you 0 credits. Then I'll click on generate. And now, as you can see, it's working right now. As you can see, say please verify your woman. You are a woman. So that means it will work. So if you try Grok, it did not work at that moment. Maybe there's some issue on the Grok. So you can shift to other AI model and it will work for you. So I'll just need to click on verify. And when you click on verify, the AI is going to verify it and it will start generating the video. So as you can see, it's generating the video right here. As you can see, your video is being generated. So now we are starting generating your video. In less than 1 minute, you are going to get your video. So if you try Grok and Grok did not work for you, you can shift to VO3 and VO3 is going to work for you. Because I created a video about this platform. The time I created the video, the Grok AI was working perfectly. And later, people said it's not working again. And that is because it is a free platform. So on a free platform like this, you need to check it out. If this one did not work for you, you try another one, it will work for you. So let's wait for some minutes and our video is going to be ready. So, and in less than 1 minute, our video is now finally our video is ready here. As you can see, this is our video. Let me play the video. This is our video here, as you can see. This is the prompt I gave to it because this is how I want the video. So this is the video. Yeah, let's play it.
Come on, my friend. Together we can finish this before sunset. Slow down. I may be slow, but
So this is the video and it's just for 8 seconds. So if you are using Flow AI in Google VO3, you should know that you can only generate 8-second video with Google VO3. So now if you want to download this video, you can just click on this dot here. You are going to see download. As you can see, download here, and you click on download and the video is going to be downloaded to your phone. Now, as you can see, the video has been downloaded to my laptop. Now, let's go back. Let's go back. And when we go back again, we can copy another prompt. Let's copy another prompt again. Let's come down here. We'll copy another prompt. Let me come down and copy the prompt I copied the other time. Let's come down here like this. I have a lot of prompts on my ChatGPT because I'm working on a lot of videos. So let's copy another prompt and try something new again. Maybe it will generate the video. So let's come down here. Let's come down here like this. After coming down, the next thing we go back to the AI tool and we replace this prompt like this again. We just cancel all this one and we paste the new prompt. So we have replaced the prompt. So this is the new prompt here. Then the next thing we go down and we click on generate again. So as you can see, we click on generate. Let's bring this to this like this. We click on generate. And when we click on generate, as you can see, it's still generating the video again. So you can use it to be generating videos for free. You don't need any credit. As you can see, our 40 credit is still intact. So let's verify we are human. And after you verify, it will start generating your video again. Now, as you can see, it's generating our second video. And our 40 credit is still there. They did not touch the credit. So you can use this AI tool to generate video. As you can see, it's generating the video. So just wait for it, and in less than 1 minute, it's going to generate the video for you. So now it's generating the video. So let's wait for it to complete. Now you can see our credit, they did not touch our credit. So this is how you can use this AI tool to generate video for yourself for free without subscribing to any AI tool. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed and you want to be getting latest AI and you want to be getting latest videos like this, how you can use free AI to generate videos for yourself, you should subscribe to this YouTube channel so that anytime we drop new videos, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on our next video.